Imagine a system that does not wait for a citizen to criticize the government. Imagine a system that tries to predict who might become a critic in the future. New research suggests that Chinese surveillance technology is moving in that direction, raising questions about how artificial intelligence could transform state monitoring. Now, a development similar to the 2002 Tom Cruise starrer Hollywood movie, Minority Report, the development comes as Chinese President Xi Jinping continues a sweeping anti-corruption campaign that began after he took power in 2012. The drive was intensified in recent years, expanding to senior governments and military officials. According to a report by New York Times, researchers at the Vanderbilt University say that leaked documents from Chinese technology firm Grid Networks, it points to efforts to develop AI-powered tools which are capable of identifying people who may pose what authorities describe as a political risk. Adding to that, the American university researchers, the Chinese technology firm and its government-backed research arm, they have allegedly been exploring ways to combine telecommunications records, social media activity, location data and online behavior. And all of this in order to build detailed profiles of individuals. The goals, researchers say, is to use artificial intelligence to identify patterns that could signal future dissent. Furthermore, the Chinese technology firm is allegedly examining ways to connect physical movement patterns with digital activity, including the movies that people watched, the books that they read, alongside other online behavior. Researchers describe the effort as an example of what happens when mass surveillance meets artificial intelligence. The Chinese technology firm already sells network security products, including commercial versions of technologies, which are similar to those used in China's internet censorship and surveillance systems. These tools can monitor online activity and detect attempts to bypass internet restrictions. The findings emerged from a cache of roughly 100,000 documents from the Chinese technology firm that allegedly surfaced last year. Experts say that China has pursued predictive surveillance technologies for years now, and advances in artificial intelligence are accelerating those efforts. At the same time, Chinese authorities are also exploring the use of AI systems such as DeepSeek and broader predictive policing applications. Researchers caution that the technology appears to remain in the development stage, but they say that it does offer a glimpse into how AI could reshape state surveillance in the years ahead.